This sort of legal talk can get confusing, so we want to help sort through the legal terms and get to what this means. Joining us now is Bob Rigg, a law professor at Drake University. Bob, thanks for being here today.
Thank you again.
All right, Professor, tell us what a mistrial means. It doesn't prove innocence or guilt, is that correct?
That's correct. Basically, a mistrial is a statement by the jury to the judge that they can't reach a verdict. In other words, they can't come to a unanimous decision as to one or more counts. Once the judge accepts that, then the court can declare a mistrial, and that's what's happened in this case. And basically, it's like starting the case all over again. They will have, before COVID, they would have 90 days to restart the actual case. But right now, the ball's back in the prosecution's court in terms of what they want to do with this case. They can retry all the counts, they could retry one or more of the counts, or they could reduce the counts and offer him a plea negotiation.
Jurors had been deliberating for quite some time on this case. They had 3 murder charges to consider, and they told the judge they had reached a consensus on the first count for Rosabeth, but were still far apart on what happened to the children. Is this thing common when we're talking about multiple charges and multiple victims?
Well, you can have split counts on a number of cases, and you see this happen quite a few times on multiple counts in, say, conspiracy charges. It's rare to do it on a homicide, and given these facts. But the jurors have to come to a unanimous decision. They decided on count 1 apparently, and couldn't come to a decision regarding counts 2 and 3. So that puts the ball back in the judge's decision-making process in terms of what to do. The court would have ordered them to continue deliberations. My guess is he probably got a note that said, basically, we can't reach a verdict, and it's fruitless for us to go on. And so the judge declared a mistrial. The surprising thing was both sides joined in the motion for mistrial, as I understand it, and they agreed that all 3 counts should go into mistrial.
And how often in cases like these do we see mistrials?
Boy, they happen more frequently than people would like them to happen, but they are rare. I mean, they do occur, but they are rare.
All right, Professor Bob Rigg, thank you for joining us. We hope you have a great evening.
Okay, thank you so much.